Hey, good morning, guys. So yesterday I made that video with the Ford Ranger and how it was bucking and falling on its face even after putting in the new mass air meter. So I decided today, I want to put the old one in, because actually I tried to start it this morning and it kept stumbling and stalling, which the old one never did that. So I'm thinking maybe I got a bad mass air meter out of the box. So I got the two next to each other and I was looking at them and everything looks fine. Slight difference in the way they're made, but no big deal. But then remember I saw little spiderweb stuff on the old mass air meter? Well, I cleaned that off and I was going to put that on, and then I was thinking, let me check inside the mass air meter just to see. Let me show you what I got. So here we go. Here's the box. As you see, I have the meter off. And as you can see by looking at them, the actual meter themselves, you can see the design of the filaments on this one as opposed to this one. Slight difference in just the way they're made, not a big deal. Obviously it's made to work with this vehicle. I'd rather use the original one if I can, but I figured, let's pull the box up. So I did, and I knew the air filter was fine, because that's one possible cause for this, is a plugged air filter. Let me show you this. That's the tube where the air flows for the mass air meter to actually read. It's plugged with a spider's nest. So now I'm going to take this off and I'm going to clean that out. Guarantee you that's my problem. So, and I'm going to put the old meter back in it, because if I don't have to use the new one, I'm not going to. So let me get this piece off of here and then let me clean that out and we're going to go from there. So with this actually unbolted, what we're going to do is I'm just going to take a small screwdriver and I'm going to pick on the inside there gently to remove what I can from that nest. It's amazing what spiders can do. I can't really get in there to show you this, but I mean, it's all the way down inside. Let me see if I can. See it? It's all the way down inside, so that really had an effect on it. So let me try to dig all of this out, and we're going to go from there. So I sprayed it out with brake parts cleaner, really good. And on the inside here, I don't know if you can see in there. Turn the light on, hold on. Come on. I got in there really good, and what I did was I took compressed air, shop air, which, 140 psi, and I blew through the top end here. Now, air passes through here, and it goes to the back side. The back side is blocked by this plate, but at the bottom of the plate is a metered hole, and it comes through the metered hole on the opposite side of this plate, on this side here. Excuse me, I got the sniffles. But anyway, that's how the meter actually reads, because it's, everything's predetermined. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put the old one back in place. And like I said, I cleaned this thing off. It's pretty simple. Don't ever touch the ends with any type of a brush or whatever. Just take, like this electrical cleaner, and spray from both sides, like that. And just get that stuff clean. Don't blow it off with air, because compressed air may be too powerful and might actually damage it. So now we're just going to install this back on once it dries off. We're going to install this back onto the housing, and we're going to put everything back together. There you go, all back together, secured, the clamps tight, connectors on. So let's close the hood and let's go inside with the scanner and clear the codes. And then we can see what we got. A little bit. I'm going to turn the key to run position. So let me shut my light off. Sorry about that. Hello, light off. Okay. So now, let's clear codes. Code's clear. All right, let's come out of it. Let's just see. No codes. No check-in complete. I already explained that to you what that is. No big deal. And start it up. Like I said before, when I went to go start this thing, it wouldn't even start. It would start, install, start, install, start, install. So that's good. Let's go back. Let's just go back to pending code, see if anything shows up right away. Nothing. Let's back out of it. Let's get my seatbelt on and let's go for a quick road test. All right, so here we are at the top of our driveway. Let some traffic clear here. Come on. That's a problem with living in a touristy town. Too much traffic. Alright, so remember it would fall on its face. Let's see what it does now. Alright, I am good with this. I am definitely good with this. I am happy with this. I'm going to my little spot here in the rec center area. Alright, so that was a simple fix, and then I don't have to put a mass air meter on it too. Alright, so let's do this. And let's pull over here. Alright, so that was interesting. Yeah, I didn't think that would cause an issue like that. Well, then again, I don't know if you saw the video, man, but try to put a link up to that. The video where I had the dirt daubers in the throttle body on a Ford Ranger 4-cylinder. Yeah, causing some weird issues. But, yeah. All right, hopefully you got something out of that video. If you did, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.